Hi guys, my name is Wang and this is my game and traffic portfolio video. There will be four objects that I would like to show in this portfolio. All of them are my own personal projects that I have developed them all by myself. So in the first project, this is my 2D platformer game. In this game, the characters could pick up items, use it to regain health and energy. Kill enemy could also drop some random items. This game is developed without any game engines or other common graphics libraries. I developed it on Qt Creator, which is an IDM, and use the QPainters to draw pixmap and apply other transformation operations in computer graphics to the game. So with the help of QPainters, I could design all things like physics, animations, and game level upon it. The second project is a gesture control game, which the idea is to create a game have gesture control like Wii Remote or Xbox Kinect. I use MetaPipe to capture motion and train a model myself to help the machine to learn American Sign Language and use it as a gesture control for the game. In addition to that, the 3D graphics in this project is developed using OpenGL to render game objects and shaders to calculate and render textures, colors, and lights. In the third project is 3D modeling city decom images using the OpenGL to render. DCOM format is the international standard for medical images. I used the COVID-19 CT dataset from the database of Harvard to get these DCOM files, applied the matching curve algorithm to extract information from each pixels from DCOM images to convert it into voxels and use the OpenGL library, we could modeling it in as a 3D object. After we have selected the image range and the threshold, now we could build and render the 3D model of those images. Besides, we could add or track the STL file here to render and interact with it in this 3D environment. And the last one is the fourth project is visualizing the CNN model in 3D environment using Unity with socket connections. So CNN is a convolutional neural network. I have built the server client model using the socket to perform a TCP connection between a socket from Python server to a client using WinSock from network stream library from the Unity. The neutral network would be added in a server and be reprocessed. Then through the socket connection, it will be transferred all these essential information to the Unity client. So the Unity will render all the layers of the neutral network in this 3D environment. And that's all. Thanks all for watching.